It was nice knowing you.
Here, Josh will record. No, it's already recording.
Okay. Can we like get fined for this?
I don't know. Can we get babies?
They're running from Go.
They don't want to.
Now you do, huh?
Hey, it's not working.
Just should walk.
Maybe
there.
if I do camouflage.
Nigga, just walk there. Go giant cracker.
Give me.
Just walk there.
David, you gotta fling it over here. Come, honey. David!
What?
Damn you!
What?
Why are you scaring them? See? Louis, throw one farther over here. Yeah, bring them over here.
Bring them over here, yeah. Get back. What was it, Dave? Go on top of the
Oh,
ball.
shut up.
So want this?
They're coming a bit too close.
Throw it at Louis.
I told